First one on this page.
ETABS is for buildings, and SAP is for structures, and SAFE slab. SAP and ETAB, they can design only, they can find out the forces, but they cannot design a slab and foundation, but they can design beam and column. Beam and column are the most important part of a frame structure. You know it, or you don't know? Well, I want to make a recording for this, but I think my recorder is not working. Okay. So, when you open the SAP, you will find this window, this blank window. It seems like AutoCAD. And it is basically AutoCAD. I can teach you how to make these softwares now, but I don't have enough time. I will be totally away from my topic.
How to make the software?
Yes, how this SAP works. SAP has basically, for example, if you give me a file, I can use from CAD, I can use from analysis part, and then the post processing. Basically, I don't want to put you under pressure, but I have taught this how to make these computer programs, and I have made it. I have worked on it. Maybe I told you, I have modified the existing programs, but I'm not going into that detail because I will be very, very far away from our topic. Well, I have given this lecture to the master students in the university, the structural engineering students, the master students, that how to make a software, analysis software. Okay, it is nothing. If you know some computer language, if you know MATLAB, if you know AutoCAD, you can make it. Or any one computer language, maybe C++ or VB. I think you have studied. Which language you have studied? C++. Shift delete? All? Or still you remember something? Okay, delete. No use. That was for fun. Okay. So this is a window. Once you will open, you will find this type of window. And if you go to the new model, here you can see these are the different types of structures which you can model in SAP. So what are these structures? Number one, grid only, mean just grids, X and Y grids, no structure. Beam, 2D trusses, 3D trusses, 2D frames, 3D frames, walls, flat slab, shelves, staircase, storage structures, maybe the water tanks or maybe the oil tanks, underground concrete, underground tanks, swimming pools, solid models, walls, cable bridges, and these are also Caltrans back. Maybe you don't know, but these are the frames in two directions, quick bridge, and pipes and plates. Many mechanical people use this for modeling of fluid. Okay? So, before I start, tell me any problem. I just start with a very basic problem. A beam, a simply spotted beam, okay? And we check that whether we get the values correct or not. For example, there is a simply spotted beam. The length of beam is 10 meter and the load on beam is 10 kilonewton per meter. How much will be the maximum moment?
Can you put the
midterm question?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, I do the midterm question. Okay, the first thing is that units. You can set the units, any desired units. For example, I am teaching in SI. Okay, I told you why I am teaching in SI. Okay, but if you are learning FPS or something else, you can also use this. Like which one you want to use, kilonewton meter Newton millimeter, Newton meter, or what?
What's Kelvin meter?
C is temperature, degree centigrade. Okay? Sometimes, for example, all these are with the, you can see foot pound, F. Well, all the recent designs and the new codes and new books all are in SI units. People started using only SI system. Now the FPS system is becoming obsolete. Okay? But many people still use. Okay, this is the grid only. For example, now because you want me to model the problem in your book, but for example, if I'm going to model a building, I should first see the plan. For example, how much are the grids in X direction, how much is the span in Y direction, and how much are the number of stories. For example, you can give any values because I don't have any building. Okay, so number of grids in X direction 4, Y direction 4, and number of grids in Z direction I make 3. And spacing, now your units are kilonewton meter. So how much will be the distance between two grids? In X direction, 6 meter. You can change it based upon your design. 6 meter, and in the Z direction, in the vertical, 3 meter. And the first origin of the grid line, 0, 0, 0. So now it is a grid. No structure at all. Now you have to model your structure on this. So if I am teaching this to the reinforced concrete design students, maybe I use different, I have different steps, but the idea is same. So the first step is we make the grid, and if you are designing a real building, this is the most important step. For example, if I have to model your college, I should know all the grid lines, and then I will put all the grid lines in the computer here in the SAAP. Okay, then I go to the, after making the grid, I will go to this command. Well, let me see whether this recorder is working, because it would be good for you. I can upload this video. Just hold on. Why this recorder is not working?